You said you would always be there. You said you would always be by my side. Over time I learned to love, let's start closing my eyes. But sometimes thoughts feel better than words. And sometimes people don't get what they deserve.
Back in the black SI. I haven't been in this thing in a while. Just picked it up from Honda. Got to switch out the rear caliper real quick and fucking all a bunch of bullshit. But yeah, both of the Civic SIs. Let's see why it works. I think it's like trash. Side skirt on, saying this side looks a lot cleaner. I primed it and then I sanded it and then it never worked, so resand it down, make it all black again, and then throw it on. They came with fucking some it came with these brackets, so these go to the pinch weld, and then you go ahead and fucking bolt them in, and then these go ahead and get riveted to the bottom of the skirts. Side skirt, carbon hood going. The carbon hood, I need to sand it, re-clear coat it, it'll come back black again. But titanium pieces on. We got the brake spread. Everything's coming a ripper. We get some flybys sooner or later, and whatever with the red car. I don't know. Maybe go cruise them. Put a new coils in. Skunk too. Picked these up for cheap. We're working, but you see it, fucking shitty. These fucking butt smoke 19 fuckers on there.
So I'm guessing.
All right, so we got these other coils. Took out this one, the front right. These were 33 way adjustable, and got the new skunk tools in here. Lowering them down. I put it on. It had like a 2-finger gap. I'm gonna lower it and see what we get out of her, and go from there. I did the new carbon fiber decal, GFP design. I did it pretty shitty. It's wrapped. It's pretty bad. Pretty mint. Then we're done. I did them 400, 600, 800, and I did them 1,000, and then I clear coated them. And it came out like shit, but I might just throw them on and say fuck it, or I might redo them one more time. Stickers on the side. Shout out Sheepy, like $7 a sticker, and the TFP design for like 80 bucks. And then, I picked these skunk tools up for a killer deal. But we're gonna try the slammer and see where it goes from there. 2 rear parts in my car right now. Ignal's torque damper, and then the Mega Race is not really that what's it called. But if you guys have any rear strut bars, let me know. I'll come grab it. These are strut bars.
Always going up to demo shop on Neon.
So
Neons will pull up as he's working on Neon, as his Neon is sitting.
Yeah, that is crazy. So we got her pretty slammed. I mean, she's not a little monster trucking, but as much as it's gonna go. I maxed the coil out. Like the coil is moving back and forth. I maxed it out so much, so that's as much as it's gonna go in the front. I mean, it's about how much it was. It might have been a little bit lower before in the front, But the rear, like, this is the stock rear. So we got like damn near, we got real 2-finger gap, maybe like almost 2.5 finger. I'm trying to go as low as I can on that side, try to match it up, but it's coming together. Sure, coming together. But we have to get the rear taken care of and then go from there. Got them off. Have the rears on. I gotta get these changed out tomorrow. I gotta get one of those vice tools or figure out a way to get that control arm bolt up off right there, and then see if I can get one of the sway bar in link right there. But yeah, I got the shocks in for front. It's like 1 finger gap on both sides. Front looks really good, but yeah, good job. So still gotta work on it tomorrow, but yeah. But it'll lower the rear pretty good. It's like 2 fingers right now with those, but then I'll lower these, and then the ones I would just keep the ones I have on there already, but they're seized, so I'm just go with these. And got these pretty cleaned up. I'm gonna clean up a little bit more, see what I can do, but I gotta get these on by tomorrow, and then it'll be done. They want you to grind down these fucking holes, bro. Fucking bullshit. They want you to grind down these fucking holes so this can sit lower, make this sit higher so these can match up. Suppose these don't match up for some fucking odd reason. Fucking garbage. I don't understand why they. Oh my god. It's fucking garbage, dude. Fucking garbage. It's garbage, though. Fucking bullshit.
Now, just because we've all.
It would look so good.
Over time, and we've gotten a little bit smarter over the past.
I can't get it to work. I gotta lower the front, and I still gotta lower the back, get the springs off, but we'll see.
I've been there before, it's nothing special. I've seen this before, it's something special. Recoup that advance, now get me better. Treat it like a jet, not a sports car. Like a dog or a sports car. Dashboard, big screen, like a sports bar. I'm not saying love, which made me better. All I see you staring with the devil. I'm not saying love, which made me better.
Bro, that wide angle does a lot, I ain't gonna lie. So much. We got the BCs pulled out. See those shit like that. 2.4 black, little Turfsky. Soon to be back on the road.
Capitalize on this holiday season.
Bro, look what I found.
Today, baby. Yeah, just a little bit.
That's how I meant this shit is, dude. The habanero fucking burgundy is fucking nuts. So boys, I have finally got my rear decorated off / wing, my baby. So we can finally get it put on the carbon trunk tomorrow. Just gotta drill out the hose or figure out how I'm gonna get it mounted. These hoses are mightily good, and these hoses are mightily fucked. This one and that one's, well, this one's not that bad. That one's not that bad. This one's pretty fucked. But yeah, car use design, and then here's the trunk. I gotta get this piece off right here. This piece for my for the lights, and then I gotta get the SI badge off, and the SI badge, and that hood will go into storage. I got the carbon here on the car, and then this is my rear, my third brake light, so gotta have that. Other than that, though, I'm good. I get some more clips tomorrow. We gotta go and put the rear springs on. Yeah, we're gonna go put these rear springs on. These are the last thing I had to put on for the coilovers. I'm playing this shit out real quick. So these are the two last things I'm gonna have to put on for the coilovers. But once I get these on, it's gonna be lowered, drop down to the ground, it'll be matched up, and boys, it'll be mint. But watch it out clear to get down. See you guys stuck in this little But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the rest. Not the end of the video, but we're gonna keep going. With the lights. Not bad. Finally got from Bella. What are you doing? Fuck.
Dude, I am fucking.
Can't wait to put this in, man. You don't understand. Big turbo guy.
Crazy girls are better. I've been there before, it's nothing special. I've seen this before, it's something special. Recoup that advance, now get me better. Treat it like a jet, not a sports car. Treat it like a dog or a sports car. Dashboard, big screen, like a sports bar. I know she ain't love, which made me better. Why I see you staring with the devil. I know she ain't love, which made me better. She know she ain't shit to make her jealous. I do what I do to make them jealous. I be out the pressure on my schedule. Treat it like not a sports car. Treat it like a dog or a sports car. VVS is for the better.
My truck's a mess. Yeah, it's just all plastic.
You got the negative 15 Miata in here. Then he's scratching the floor. Oh, he's driving the Mazda.
Oh yeah. Keep triggering it down.
Oh, for real? Yeah, this thing is tough. The negative 15. You gotta put those liners on though. Those flares.
He is eventually.
That's his winner. I think it's so mad. This doesn't even look right. It just doesn't even. Ew, what the hell? That looks crazy.